Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to show you the May 2021 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is the smaller of our monthly kits. It includes 2 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. You'll also have access to 2 recipe cards. These are designed by our design team. They're 2 double page layouts, one for each one of the collections. They'll give you cutting and assembly instructions, and you'll get to see a full color photograph of the finished layout. And our design team does an amazing job with these recipes. So I know you're going to love getting those each month. This month, our 2 kits just scream kind of summer and life. It's just a nice break from the winter that we're coming out of. So the 2 collections are Echo Park Pool Party and Pink Fresh Some Days. These 2 collections are perfect for all of your summer memories as well as just everyday memories. So let's dig in, take a closer look at everything you're going to receive in this month's kit. First, you're going to have 2 sheets of Rain cardstock, 1 sheet of Passionate. For your pattern paper, we have this beautiful floral. You can see all of the colors that are represented in this collection. It's just gorgeous. The back is an aqua and white stripe. This paper is called Paradise Floral. Then we have a brush stroke stripe in all of the colors from this collection. The back are the yellow starfish on the white background. This one is called Summer Stripes. Then we have the 3x4 cut apart. These are perfect to tuck in your layouts for titles, subtitles. Just a lot of fun there. You can even make up some cards with your leftovers. The back is a pink gingham. So that is your patterned paper. You can even cut this little piece of this branding strip here and tuck in as a subtitle or a title on a layout. So don't forget about those branding strips. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet, so you're going to have plenty to embellish with. We have a floral border and the aqua with the little white dots scalloped border. We have a banner that says summer as well as the full word up here, just the letters, and then some more banner pieces, large icons all the way down to small, so you can create those little scenes. Love the little ice cream cart. That's too cute. We have bathing suits and pineapples and the pool. Just everything for summer. So that is Echo Park's Pool Party. Our next collection is from Pink Fresh called Some Days. And this is just an everyday collection. Lots of cute little sayings that you're going to see in some of the embellishments. But the paper and the florals is just a good generic collection. Love it. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of mustard. For the pattern paper, we have this ledger paper with the florals in the corners, perfect for a background. The back is this cut apart, so this is going to be one that's going to be hard for me to choose which side. Love these little pieces that you can cut in all different sizes to tuck in for embellishments, add journaling, all of that. So some really great pieces there. This paper is called What a Day. Then we have this paper that's got the darker blue and the light blue, just some geometric designs. Great overall print. The back are the beautiful florals on the light blue. This one is called Friendly Daisies. Then we have this graph paper. So I don't know if that will show up, but it's just a real pale blue graph with all of the large numbers in that beautiful yellow. The back is another floral print in the pink and the yellow on white. This one is called Fresh Flowers. So again, so many great patterns on both sides. So you're going to want to really take full advantage of all of the pattern paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get 1/4 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary, but I'm sure that they're all going to be full of florals, and I have some lemons here. you're going to get some of the chipboard flare pieces. So if you haven't seen these are just like flare, except for they're just chipboard. So I love these because sometimes with the flare, I'm afraid of rust or something like that, but chipboard is awesome. And you can see by mine, of course, these are going to vary, but by mine, I have the worst and OMG, a glass of pink lemonade and stuff. So it's just good generic embellishments. And then another embellishment you'll get is a fourth a sheet of the stickers. So again, these will vary, but I'm sure they'll be very similar. I have some labels, make lemonade, work hard, be kind. So again, just some great embellishments to document all kinds of memories. So that is Pink Fresh Some Days. One more look at your double shot kit. If you're not already a part of our Facebook group, we would love for you to come over and join us. Join in on the challenges, see what everyone's creating, check out our design team and all of the layouts that they create. We have so much inspiration going on over there. If you would like more product, check out all the other kits available. There'll be some links down here at the end. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.